Hey up YouTubers, Simon B here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Here, look at this. Anybody guess where we're at? No, probably not. You can see a little bit of a sneak preview through the trees there. Nothing major though. Big high hills there. Not really a mountain. People call them mountains, but they're not really, are they? Guy driving a bus here. Can't get over bridge. Way up, you alright? So if anybody's guessed, we're in the Borrowdale Valley. We're just at a little place called Grange. Morning. And no, it's not Grange over Sands, it's Grange in Borrowdale. Here, I'll take you over to the bridge. A bit more water coming down this one. You better should have come this way instead of that way. Look at this. Look at this picturesque little village. Remember coming here, outward bound or something. I can't remember if I was serving me time when I was 16, 17. We've been up here, we did something up here. Yeah, so that way is Keswick, and that way where we're going is Honister Pass. So up towards Honister Pass. We're out on the 790. No green laning today. I've got my clim suit on because it's supposed to be a chance of rain, and I thought, well, if I put something else on, I'm going to bring waterproofs and everything. So anyway, so yeah, if you fancy a bit of, so we're going to go and do Honister Pass, right through past Buttermere, Lowes Water, is it Lowes Water? Lowes Water Reservoir, Lowes Water, I think it is. And then probably drop into Ennerdale, and then over to Calder Bridge, and then we'll come back home and do whatever. So, fancy a bit of that, as they say. Stick around and stay tuned.
Like and subscribe.
So, welcome back YouTubers. And it's just started raining. Well, it's supposed to be raining till about 3 o'clock, so they said. So yeah, Keswick that way, 4 mile. We're going this way. This is that's a Grange in Borrowdale. Nice little village. Couple of nice cafes, I believe. I think I've stopped at 1 or 2 before. Big drops, them and all. Now we've just been to the Filling Station Café, what do you want to call it? It's in Keswick there. Had a bacon, a sausage bun. Oh yeah, if you go there, that's the where they have the stone, the Borrowdale stone, I think it is. They call it. Been there since Victorian times. Climb to the top of it and do whatever. I'll put a picture on it, I usually do when I'm passing here. Jesus, look at this. I said it's going to be a bit windy today. It's a bit bad. Yeah, Filling Station Café, we stopped at. Put a picture on what we had, sausage bun, and yeah. So we'll have a run up here. I don't think it's going to be full rain until about 3, but this is the Lake District, and I think this area around Boredale is probably one of the wettest places in the Lake District, so I think is it Boredale or Sea Toller or somewhere around here. It's somewhere around here. Yeah. Like I say, I could have picked a better day. The morning was supposed to be alright. It's a Friday, beginning of June. The first, 5th, 4th, 5th, something. Yeah, that's what it looks like out there. I think that's... I can't remember which way we go here. Could be going that way. One of them anyway. Yeah, everything's lush and green in the Lake District now. It should be, in that rain we've had. No, I go that way, not that way. Ross Slate. It's a bit thin round here. What's he doing? And he just pulls out on me. Beautiful. Huh? Bizarre, isn't it? Huh? Absolutely bizarre. Well, I've done nothing wrong. Weird. It doesn't look so fun up there, does it? I believe that's where we're going. I think it's that way. Now, up that valley there, I think it's here. Yeah, I think it is, isn't it? Yeah, down there, past them tents down there, up that valley, there's a green lane. It's just sort of come about, it's a dead end. It's a bit gnarly, I believe. There's been a couple of videos on YouTube about it. It's on the council great thingy map, what you call it, and I think it's just gone on the TRF's Green Road map, I think, for the area. Well, there's nothing else around here, so it's a bit pointless. But I'm going to come up and do it one day, not on this. I'll have to come up 500 or something like that, because it's it looks a bit looks a bit of fun, really. He must have turned around. I followed him just out of Keswick, and he let me pass just at the bridge there at Grange. So he must come up here, turn round. So I don't think he'll be going over Honister Pass, really. Oh, where are we going here? No. Seathway. I think it's Seathway. I think that's yeah, it all looks a bit weird this way around. I usually come, every time I've usually done this, I've come from the other direction. Yeah. He must have turned around there, mustn't he? What come to be on double-decker bus with open top and that. Be awesome, wouldn't it? So yeah, still got the 790. I was thinking of getting rid of it, but I don't know. I don't think I will. I don't know. This air change is good as a rest, isn't it? So it can get a little bit busy up here, because it has the Honister Slate Mine with all the wire ropes and the Alpine climbing and all sorts of bits of things. Check it out. I'll probably put a link down in the description box below of what it is. What's he doing? Just married. Yeah, it's not, I think the other side's worse. Not like an Alpine Pass or anything like that. Or, call it hard knot. We talked to a couple of lads who were over from Derbyshire, stopping in Keswick. They'll be doing something hard knot and rhinos tomorrow. Right, so we're here already. Can't be, are we? Here we are. So yeah, Honister Slate Mine. I'll tell you what we'll do, which we never usually do, and I'll show you this. Show you the view from out of here. I don't know if there's much here. Jesus, bit of off-roading. Get my bike dirty now, won't I? Yeah, we usually just drive past and do whatever and don't do this. And you can't really see it all. You're probably best on the other side. But that's oh, excuse me. Walks all over the place. All the activities are up there. The Alpine bridge. I don't think you can see it. I think he was on about putting one right across here, but I don't think anybody. I think the council and everybody complaining, I can't do that. Oh jeez. Yeah. Honister Slate Mine. That Tommy van life. It's the wind, I think. Yeah, they have a cafe here. Bits of stuff and yeah, all the activities are all up there. We might better see some, I don't know. As we run down, we'll have a look. See what we see. Say what you see. We're filling in some potholes. Jesus. Yeah, I didn't think we were going to go up here that quick. It's nothing, nothing out of the ordinary and stuff like that. You know what I mean? It's all a bit. I don't know. Well, that's what. Yeah, this is Honister Pass. It's a bit on a smaller scale of Kirkston, really. Yeah. Something behind me, I don't think there is. Is there anybody up there? See, this GoPro just sort of flatten everything out there, but that's bloody high. And there's like caves and that inside it, and there's all sorts of stuff up there. Oh yeah, they'll be digging slate out of these mines for quite some time. 30%. Ooh, what we're gonna do? Road surface got to something to be questioned about, hasn't it, really?
Like and subscribe.